This is actually the first clip of the vlog. This is actually the first clip of the vlog. Let's see how far we are able to vlog this and done for the day. Today we have a lot of hectic day today. I woke up in a lot of rush. I woke up late, so everything got delayed. Got to the meeting, started at 1:30, finished the first meeting by 3:30. Then went ahead after the lunch break. Quickly went ahead with the second meeting of the day, which I just had some snack. I went down on the building ground with my mom. Spent some time with her. Got ready for the last meet of the day. Had dinner at 9 p.m. and yes, got ready for the last meet of the day so that I can wrap on time, and once I start my meeting on so that I can start my meeting on time, which was the meeting was at 10 p.m. I had few times of the day or today I felt a lot of headache because again a lot of rushiness was there. Again a lot of things which was a back-to-back meetings, a lot of rush. The first emotion doesn't go in the correct manner, the whole day gets affected. That is one of the reasons that I like to wake up in a much more calmer manner so that I have a space and a freedom to do and sit by my side instead of just waking up, getting ready and going to work. So this one wrong step or this one wrong thing or one wrong move to start the day creates a lot of delays and discrepancies. This is what I don't like. I'm trying my best to wake up on time and sleep on time to sleep, and this is the situation, but I'm very grateful. I'm trying my best to do my physical activity. I have started doing yoga. As you know, you are the people that are following me on Instagram, they all know that we are getting back on the track. I've started doing yoga, cutting down the chai intake specifically, and I'm trying to sleep early, and I'm trying to manage my time well, and sleep so that I can get better sleep and wake up in a much more calm and much more peaceful manner, so that I pray, I can be with myself as well as think about the YouTube content as well. So that's the thing that is going in my head currently. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how this month goes in regards to waking up on the perfect timing, and let's be very clear that I really don't want to get rushing in the morning. I really don't like it. I'm doing this meditation for 21 days straight. So let's see how this goes as well. A lot of fun things are coming in regards to the work. I'm very proud of myself. Industry that I'm in, specifically the fashion industry, it needs, and the healing industry, it needs a lot of empathy as well as a lot of creativity to understand people's minds. So this is what we are trying, this is what we are learning, practicing, retaking again and again, repurposing, retouching again and again. The practice sessions that we do is the most wonderful thing, the most beautiful thing. And let's meet tomorrow morning. And okay, I also did forgot to say what's the time right now and what's the date. I'm trying my best, guys. What's the time? It's almost 2:30. It is 6th August. Let's see how far we go with the vlogging till now. I'm just cutting this clip right now, so I'm going to sleep right now, take well rest, and yes, let's get ready in a much more calmer manner for tomorrow. Bye everybody. Good morning everybody. So today is 7th of August. It's 10:51 today. It's 10:51 a.m. Today is basically going to be the first day of the meditation of the 21 days challenge that we are doing. Me and my friend are doing together. So that is what we are looking up to. Still I have 1 hour in my hand left to start my work, start with the day. So let's see how this day goes. I didn't vlog I didn't vlog on the 6th of August. We are directly moving and skipping the one day here because I wasn't doing well. I had a cold, very bad cold actually. So yeah, so didn't vlog any much. But yeah, again the hectic day was there. If you are wondering what is this, if you are wondering which cream I am putting, it's basically given to me by my dermatologist because I really have a dry skin. Those people know me. I do have a very dry skin, and it really leads to a lot of like of dry, flaky skin around the chin, around the nose area specifically, and I'm not sleeping well. So yes, that is the thing. And this cream is not that sticky. So this is the best thing. I can't do with sticky creams. I really don't like, and also whenever I put any cream, I'm very sensitive towards the products what I'm using. So this cream is working for me for now. Let's see how it goes. Literally 5 minutes in my hand. Let's do it. I don't want to rush it. That's the reason I'm taking it super slow. Yeah. Okay. I love it. And if you are wondering what the cream that I have, what the moisturizer that I've got, this is the cream. I really like actually the color of it. It looks very good, right at the end. It's super good. And yeah. Emollient is the name. Emollient is the name. Okay. Very basic t-shirt. So we are making progress. Instead of waking 45 minutes before the work, I have woke up 3 hours before. I woke up 9:30 a.m. today. Had a very calming breakfast. Got the hair wash done because today was a hair wash day, clearly as you can see. Done with my moisturizing part, and now I have literally 3 minutes before starting my first day of the 21 days meditation challenge. And yes, after that I'll get on to the work. Let's see how this day goes. I'll take you with me also. Not this because I just washed my hair. Yeah, quickly let's do this. My white kanji is from this tank top, or my white kanji is from Bandra Streets. Specs are from Lenskart as usual. The regular jewelry that I'm wearing, it's customized and made from a local store. Likewise the bracelet as well. I'm not wearing the neck piece today. Jeans, it's again from Levi's. Yes, and I do really like this jeans because again it's a bell bottom, so this is the better part. Chalo, let's go. Yeah. Hello everybody. So it was a super hectic day today, but I'm grateful for it. Got to learn a lot of new things. Got to learn how does all the social media works and how we can do much more better things. In general, it was a whole power pack learning day, as well as a lot of progress have happened today. So which I'm grateful for. And so it was a long day. I literally had my lunch at 5:30 p.m. today, so you can imagine clearly. And yes, took a nap around 8:30 p.m. and I was just not able to wake up for the last meet of today's. But yes, we got through the day and I'm very proud of this. And yes, we did the meditation. We also woke up early today. So much better things, much progress, I'll say. And yes, literally done for this day. Had a shower, did moisturize my face, tied my hair up so that I can just rest well now and I can sleep, and I'm literally just ready for the night and can't wait to sleep now. We'll meet tomorrow. Let's see how tomorrow goes. Yeah, that's it. I'll just stop this part of the vlog today.
सूख रहा है तो गोली दिया रहेगा मिनट ऑन, उसमें कुछ अभी ज़्यादा सुनने का गुंजाइश नहीं रहता है।
अच्छा।
और आगे बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, उस हिसाब से हम गोली देते हैं।
अच्छा।
कभी भी ऐसा कुछ से भी होता है, सैड हो जाते हैं, अभी आपका हेडफोन्स का भी रीज़न दिख रहा है मेरे को।
फोन का भी आदत है हेडफोन
हाँ,
का।
तो वो
I just started this vlog here. Today is Raksha Bandhan. It's 9th of August 2025, and as usual I'm getting late to reach to my brother's home. Okay, I need to reach around 2:30 and it's already 1:50. So just starting to get ready. Almost I wore the outfit pehle hi so that it's good enough. Doing it super fast, super quick. I really hope so. Everything I do reach on time. I really hope that. Let's see. Let's see. Today was a hair wash day. Also did the whole razor part today because of course had to do sleeveless. I'll show my outfit in few minutes. Let me just first do my usual basic makeup. Have dyed the hair right now, but yeah, on to it. It's a very, ignore this. Okay, I'm using this Faces Canada brown kajal because I really don't want to do the black kajal as usual. Okay, the kajal hasn't been fully okay. Chalo, let's see. I haven't slept properly last night and that is the reason, but it's okay. Let's just quickly, I literally have 10 minutes. I literally have 10 minutes in my hand. Okay, in this whole vlog I think I have just rushed totally. Let's see. Also one more tip, whenever you are wearing something sleeveless and you want that your skin looks good, and if you don't have any serum that is going to work on your body really well, or if you don't have any dust or gold dust or highlighter to make your skin look good, what you can do is grab this blue Nivea moisturizer. Okay, it's very simple, it's very easy. Do not buy that white one, as white one is more smooth or more light. This blue one is more on the heavier side, so that it also keeps it together, keeps the shine intact. See, you can see the difference here. You can take it more as well to make it look more shinier. See how much of a difference it is creating, right? So you can do that as well, just to make your shoulder look much more better. If you are wearing a sleeveless, you can also put it here, but moreover it's done. I also made this towel a bit wet so that I can just quickly clean all my stuff, because I don't like after having a moisturizer onto my hands or fingers, I don't like to touch anything, because again it feels a lot more sticky after picking anything after having a moisturizer on. So I always do clean each and every lipstick or kajal. Okay, let us get it. Okay, let me just keep it together in my purse here, so that whenever I want to do any touch up, we can do this on the go. Much more easy. I'll take this as well with me. I'm going to stay to my brother's for tonight. Okay, let me just do my hair now quickly. Already not happy with the hair though, but it's okay. Unless and until we are on time, it's okay. I'll sort. I'm also taking my hair roller with me, so I will just blow dry it very quickly, in case if I just want to style it, or if I just want to keep it in a very set, in a basic position at least. I'll just do it in my I just do it in my brother's place only. Chalo.
हेलो
I know.
गरला करी कहीं रखे हैं कहीं ये येलो कलर नहीं रखे हैं गरला करी ये निशु ये गरला करी रखे
मेरा कैमरा.
हाँ दिया सोचे था
वो यार निशा
दे ना 2 मिनट नहीं लगेगा कितना टाइम लगा तो और 5 मिनट रेडी ये एज ही मस्त रहती है
ऊपर हजी ऊपर पैर नीचे
निशा इधर देख थोड़ा एजी है मुझे वो दिया थी खेलने
मैं तुझे लगाती थी हाय हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन
रक्षाबंधन
फाइल दे रहा है यस